Welcome to Classic Cars Reborn. Today we are starting a full restoration journey. This is a classic car that has been forgotten for years. Time and weather have damaged its condition. But now we will bring it back to life. The restoration begins with a full inspection. Every part of the car is carefully checked. We look for rust and hidden damage. We examine the body structure closely. Each detail is noted before starting work. This helps us understand the full condition. Nothing is skipped in this process. Every problem area is identified early. The car shows signs of heavy wear, but the base structure is still strong. This gives hope for full restoration. Careful planning is very important here. We make sure every step is correct. A proper inspection saves future problems. Now we are ready for cleaning stage. The transformation journey officially begins. Stay with us for the full process. Let's bring this classic back to life. Now the deep cleaning process begins. The car is covered in dust and dirt. Years of grime have built up on surface. We start removing all loose dirt first. Every corner is carefully cleaned. The body starts to look clearer. Hidden details slowly appear again. The original shape becomes more visible. Grease and oil are removed completely. Special tools are used for cleaning. Each section is cleaned step by step. No area is left untouched. Cleaning reveals real car condition. Some rust spots are now visible, but overall structure is still good. This step prepares car for disassembly. A clean surface is very important. It helps in proper restoration work. Now the car looks more defined. The transformation has officially started. We are moving to next stage. Disassembly will begin now. Let's continue the journey. Now we start the disassembly process. Each part is carefully removed. Bolts and screws are taken out. Panels are separated slowly. We work step by step. No damage is allowed during removal. Interior parts are also removed. Seats and trims come out carefully. Engine components are inspected closely. Every piece is labeled properly. This helps in reassembly later. The structure becomes more visible. Hidden rust areas appear clearly. Wiring and connections are checked. Some parts need replacement. Some parts can be restored. Everything is organized properly. Nothing is lost in the process. The car now looks fully stripped. Bare structure is now visible. Next stage is repair work. We continue restoration journey. Step-by-step progress continues. Now rust removal begins. Affected areas are cleaned deeply. Rust is carefully removed. Metal surface is restored slowly. Damaged sections are repaired. Some parts are reshaped again. Strength of body is improved. Weak areas are reinforced. Welding work is done carefully. Every repair is checked twice. Structure becomes stronger now. Old damage is being fixed. Car body starts improving. Rust spots are fully cleaned. Metal is treated properly. This prevents future damage. Repair work takes time. But quality is very important. We focus on strong restoration. Now structure is stable again. Next stage is surface prep. We move forward carefully. Progress is looking good. Now surface preparation begins. Old paint is removed completely. Rough areas are sanded smooth. Surface becomes clean and even. Preparation is a very important step. It ensures perfect paint finish. Every panel is polished carefully. Scratches are removed slowly. Body becomes smooth again. No uneven areas remain. Primer-ready surface is created. Dust is cleaned again fully. Small defects are corrected. Each section is refined carefully. Smooth finish is achieved now. Car body looks better already. Preparation stage is complete. Now ready for primer coat. Next step will be painting. Transformation is getting visible. Almost near final stages. Progress is strong and clean. Let's continue restoration. Now primer is applied. It protects the metal surface. Primer gives strong base coat. Car starts looking uniform. After drying, painting begins. Fresh paint is carefully applied. Color spreads evenly everywhere. The look changes completely. Car becomes visually stunning. Old damaged look disappears. New life is added now. Gloss and shine appear slowly. Multiple coats are applied. Each layer improves finish. Paint quality looks professional. Body lines stand out clearly. Classic design becomes visible. This is major transformation stage. Car looks almost new now. Final touch is coming soon. Assembly will complete next. We are very close now. Result is looking amazing. Now final assembly begins. All restored parts are installed. Each piece fits carefully. Every component is checked before fitting. Precision is very important in this stage. Nothing is forced or rushed. Everything must align perfectly. Engine components are reattached. Connections are secured properly. Interior is rebuilt step by step. Seats and trims are placed. Every detail is handled with care. The cabin slowly returns to life. Everything comes together again. Final checks are performed. All systems are tested carefully. Quality is verified at every point. No issues are found. The car is fully complete now. Restoration is successful. What was once damaged is now perfect. The transformation is incredible. Classic beauty is restored fully. Every detail looks clean. Shine and finish are perfect. This is true restoration work. The journey is now complete. A forgotten car is reborn. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more restorations. See you in next project. Classic Cars Reborn.